being an entrepreneur. Welcome to an excitement-filled journey. Nobody stops you to become an entrepreneur. What stops you is only you. है वही सूरज जग में जो अपनी राह बनाता है. कोई चलता है पद चिन्हों पर, कोई पद चिन्ह बनाता है. Journey of being an entrepreneur is a transformation from gaining an experience to delivering an excellence, from easy to evolving life, from being an employee to creator of employment, from earning professional to the allied professional, from 9 to 5 mindset to 24/7 awakened life, from hourly worker to a history maker. If you are in a corporate job, if you are fed up with your daily routine work, if you want to carve your own success, and if you have that fire in your belly, then I'm sure you will love this session. I'm going to talk about learn, the inputs to be implemented while planning to be an entrepreneur. It is what I call it as learn, Learn. The first insight is L. Lower your liabilities. Because you're planning to be an entrepreneur, the first step, with great love and respect, I would suggest you is to pay off your loans, your debts, and get rid of all your financial liabilities. Please remember, you cannot go very far with a heavy luggage. The second most important insight is E. Expense planning for at least 3 years. My suggestion is to plan basic family expense for at least 3 years. This will set your mind free. It will make your mind free from the stress of daily earning. And once your mind is free, it will be still and sound. It will focus on building the business. It will focus on the real groundwork that is required to start and grow the business. With this, I come to the third insight, that is A. Asset building. Here, my emphasis is to build human assets, to build great relationship. It's a misconception that money builds the business. No, it's the relationship that helps to build business, to nurture it, and to grow the business. Please start building relationships with each and every important person who can be your future stakeholder. The next vital side is R. R stands for reason. Identify a cause or a reason where you can really make a difference. Identify something which gives you vibrations, which is of your interest, for which you have an internal passion, and you can really dedicate your life to. Think big or think niche. Think about a very large market or think about a small market where your difference will be very large. The next insight is N. In the journey of learn, this is last but very sensible, very important key insight is N. N stands for not for money. If the only motive of your becoming an entrepreneur is money, probably you will be tired very soon. Your motive to do something beyond money will take you really long. If you are only focused on money, then those hard times, then the struggle will definitely be very hard. Those hard times will test you hard and you will quit and go back to your job. But if you have a motive to do something beyond money, the purpose of becoming an entrepreneur is much bigger than money or profit. You will rough all the hard times and you will become a winner. Please focus on making the difference. Focus on creating a lasting value. Focus on fulfilling the dreams of your clients. Focus on increasing the value of your stakeholders. If these key merited points are a part of your focus, probably you will never feel tired, irrespective of good or bad times. So here I conclude this. This is the first episode of planning to be an entrepreneur. We will come with some more insights in few next episodes which will help you to become an entrepreneur and to scale up your business. So with great love and respect, it's my humble effort to share these valuable insights. I wish you a great luck. सीढ़ियां उन्हें ही मुबारक हो जिन्हें छत तक पहुंचना है। मेरी मंजिल तो आसमान है, रास्ता मुझे खुद बनाना है। Thank you so much.